there's several aspects that the Terrace file impacts. So if you talk about the customers, any customer can now jump on, the several apps that are now available in Australia, and they can see quite readily, okay, the timetable that bus is operating at, and then where the bus is at any given point in time. So obviously from a customer perspective, they've now got full oversight of that. And it also actually does our school runs as well. So as a parent, you can see where that school bus is. So, if for whatever reason a school bus is delayed because of traffic, because of roadworks, because of flooding that we have at the moment, parents can see where their child is at any point in time. So it gives them that relief, that they know where the vehicle is. So that's, I guess, the benefit from a customer perspective. From a business perspective, it allows us to manage our on-time running KPIs a lot more effectively, because we can see exactly where the buses are. And then we can, we have oversight in our control room. We can see, a bus is running 2 minutes early or 5 minutes late. And then we can, I guess, discuss with the driver, radio the driver, say, hey, you're running early or you're running late. And they can then say, look, there's heaps of traffic. We might then set a head off bus out to get us back on time, and allows us to manage our on-time performance a lot better. It also allows us to ensure that the drivers are adhering to the shift bat. The issue we've always had is the shift bat says one thing, the driver does another, and so not that we're Big Brother watching them, but it allows us to see quite easy if they're off route. And sometimes it's a new driver doesn't quite know where they are. It allows us to retrain them in terms of the correct route that they should be taking. So it does give us better oversight of exactly where the buses are going. And if you look at how geographically spread we are across New South Wales, we've got a lot of buses going in a lot of areas. So it gives us, at the moment, TCBs in everywhere. So as it does roll out to all our regions, it'll be, give us better oversight of it all, but it does give us oversight of where the buses are going. So that's definitely a benefit to us. The Tones file, I guess, produces all the data that allows all the rest of that stuff to happen, so therefore it's quite important that that data is accurate, and quite important that we submit it in a timely way to Transport New South Wales.